Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? That is one thing I should not do, and that is sing, right? Guess what, my friends? Woo! It is finally time. We are finally releasing our Sleigh Fold-it. Today is re-release day, or if you're watching this later, we are re-releasing some items that were in kits in the past. Maybe I took them on HSN in the past. Maybe they were with the other company in the past, and we are bringing them to you now on our website. Starting with the Sleigh Fold-it, and I have more samples, don't worry. And in fact, a customer Jill Kennedy sent this to me. Shout out to Jill Kennedy. This was actually a Christmas card that she did for me last year. I saved it because I wanted to show you on today's release. She made this for me almost a year ago, and I saved it. Isn't that awesome? Okay, ready? Let's jump in. Lots of options here. Now, I know I'm releasing a lot right now. Half of this you probably already have. Just a heads up. On your marks, get set, go. Finally, I think it's Ponce that is out there really asked me 1,000 billion quadrillion times when this was going to re-release. I released this originally with the other company. Now it is out. I changed the die file a little, but the die cuts themselves are the exact same. If you bought this when I released this with Sizzix, do not buy it again. It will cut out the same thing, okay? I just changed it a little to make it a little bit easier for you to die cut. Do not buy it again if you bought it when I made it with Sizzix. We're also releasing, if you missed it, our fall stencil and our 2-pack of Plaid layering stencils. Now the Plaid layering stencil was in a kit at one time, and it's really awesome because it does a couple different things. Number one, it's 2 sets. It's a set of 2. If I can get it out of here. Number one is it will make you stripes. Now this one's not very exciting by itself, but this one's fun by itself. But then you can make stripes this way, and then to make it a plaid, you're gonna add it this way in different colors. Isn't that fun? I know, it's awesome. And look, you can make things that look like this. What? I know, isn't that fun? Now, moving on, there's our sleigh. Sleigh bells ring. Oh, it's going the wrong way. There we go, sleigh. I have more samples. Then, also that was released at the same time as the sleigh was that fun little present with that amazing little ribbon and the option to do the cute little snowflakes, okay? Last but not least, this is an item I took on HSN literally 100 years ago. We're finally bringing it onto our website. This is Create a Tag. Now, I am so thankful this is out because I use this every holiday, and I can't really show it to you because it wasn't on our website. It was only available on HSN, sold out years ago. Finally bringing it, and what in the world? Look at this. You have 2 different tags, but you have all these tag options to top that tag with. You have lots of words. You have a candy cane, you have a big tree, you have Merry, Noel, for you, to, from, and ho, ho, ho. Now, the cool thing about the to and the from and the for you is it die cuts the letters, but they also stay in, so you don't have to worry about the center of the O. So you can use the positive and the negative, right? Let's look at some samples. Here we go. Jingle all the way. Look at that with glitter paper. Absolutely. Oh, somebody else made this. Suzanne, another customer, made this for me. Look at that. Awesome. For Christmas, it would have been last year. Let me tell you, I save them. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous with our glitter paper and our fun jingle bells in the back? Very popular die set. So let's look at some cake options. Now, this is A2 without the candles. A2 without the candles. So if you're going to add candles, you have a couple options. Number one is you can add them separately and have them put it on, have it be sticky on the back, have them put it on when they get it. That's one option. Another option is you can fold the candles down, does not hurt them, and when they get them, they can just pop them up. Okay, another option. Ooh, this one has something on the inside. Cute little puffy stickers on the inside. Look how cute that is. Look at these options, you guys. Then, we have this one. Then we have another cute one with candles. Again, you could just fold them down or use a bigger envelope. Options are yours. Or who says you have to have candles, right? Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? Lots of different options with our cake now available on our website. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Get in on these oldies but goodies but brand newies, because they are now brand new to our website. And chances are you might not have 1 or 2 or 3 of these, so get them now while they're there. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.